This is the 158 series by ABUS. The 158 comes in two sizes, the 15840, which is this model with 3 numbers, and the 15850 with 4 numbers. The padlock is double bolted, so you can see in the shackle you have 2 grooves, and when it locks down, it's locked from both sides. So it means that if you cut one side, it won't just shoot up. So it means often it'll have to be cut on both sides in order to get the lock open. The combination is reset quite easily. You open the padlock, take a screwdriver or a coin that will fit into the slot in the bottom. You then twist this 90 degrees and then set your new number. So if we go 999, you then take your screwdriver or coin again, flip this back straight, horizontal with the seams on the body, and that is reset. You can now scramble the numbers and it's locked. The padlock is a metal die-cast case, and then it has a hardened steel shackle that is especially resistant to cutting and sawing. It has a rubber pad on the back, so when it's resting against something or moving, it won't scratch whatever it's on, like a locker or something similar. So that's it. It's an all-round medium security padlock. The 158 is slightly larger, as I say, the 15850 with a slightly thicker shackle. Both are extremely reliable, and we've sold many of them for security computer cages, so that they as a very reliable option for combination as a combination padlock. That's the 158 series from ABUS.